Hello Skinnies, Nick here. First of all, I want to apologise that it's so late going live at almost 9 p.m. to show off my dinner, but the bloody TM7 is so quiet. I thought I set it to cook and then I walked away, started doing housework, cleaning up the kitchen and stuff like that. And I'm like, this is taking a while. Why hasn't it gone off? Probably a good half an hour later when it was only a 7-minute step, like it just didn't dawn on me. And turns out I forgot to press play. But because the machine is so quiet, I actually had no clue that it wasn't cooking. So, public service announcement, if you've got a TM7, make sure you're actually cooking because it's very, very quiet. Now, I have a couple of things to show off for you tonight. One of them is dinner, and that's currently in the thermal server just resting. And while that's resting, I thought, well, first of all, it's the lemony chicken orzo with greens. But while that's resting, I thought I would just grab the lemon prosecco sorbetto that I made live yesterday and show you all straight from the freezer. You can see it's still icy. Straight from the freezer how it's pretty scoopable, which makes it an ideal party / summer recipe. Also makes it very, very dangerous. Look at that. So that is straight from the freezer, you guys. I literally grabbed it out the freezer right before I went live. So bloody good. I'm gonna have that for dessert, sure. So, oh no, ice cream headache. So a lot of people have asked whether it's scoopable from the freezer, and I'm here to confirm that. Look at this. It 100% is. So good. All right, now for the main course, because I skipped straight to dessert. We have lemony chicken orzo. This is one of my favorite recipes in the book because it's so easy. It's very yummy, of course. Full of nutrition. And it's just a bit different, I think. Just a little, it's just a bit different. Now, I've only let this rest for probably maybe 2 to 3 minutes. If you let it rest a little bit longer, obviously it'll be thicker, but I don't actually like it crazy thick. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a risotto, but not really. It's I don't know how to describe it, but it's very good. And then I add Parmesan cheese, of course, because you need Parmesan, right? Now, for those of you who don't know what orzo is, you can get it from your supermarket. Sometimes it's called risoni. Same thing. All right, I think that's enough Parmesan. And then I am just going to put a little pinch of salt because I like salt. That's my beautiful dinner. Now, this has kale in it. Joanne, sorry, it's pasta based. So it's a risoni, like an orzo. It tastes so freaking good. It's creamy, but without being too heavy. You got like the subtle hint of lemon in the background. The chicken is so tender. You wouldn't even know that there's kale in there. Like, you cannot tell. And there's peas as well. Now, if you don't like peas or you don't like kale, you can mix up the green veg. You don't have to use peas and kale. I just wanted to do something a bit different. You can use broccoli, zucchini. What other green vegetables? Baby spinach. Silver beet. Green beans, like literally Any green veg, you can substitute the veg in this for that. Bloody hell, it's good. You can tell because I'm eating instead of like remembering that I'm on camera. So that's what it looks like up close. It's absolutely divine. It's a very, very lovely dish, and I think that it's perfect for kids as well because it's not overwhelmingly intense in flavors. It's just a really nice kind of buttery, creamy, light lemon dish. It's not like lots of wine. There's no wine in it or anything like that. It's a very simple, humble dish. It does have a pinch of chili in it, but you can't actually, there's no heat whatsoever. Yum. All right, I'm gonna stop eating because you guys aren't here to watch me eat a whole bowl of this delicious dish. So this is how much it makes. It's bloody heavy. That's a whole big thermal server full. So really I would say, I mean, we've got it down as serving 6, even 5. We've got it down as serving 5. I mean, for us personally, this would serve 8. But I know people sometimes don't agree with my portion sizes, but that would be at least 2 kilos of food. Like, it's a lot of food and it's heavy. So fantastic big wheat meal. It takes less than 30 minutes. It's only 380 calories a serve for 5 serves, so very large amount of food. To me, there's no way that serves 5. So even less calories if you eat a smaller bowl of it. And yeah, that's all I've really got to say. It's only got 5 steps, and 2 of those are chopping and sauteing onion and garlic. So really the active cooking steps, there's only 2 of those. So it's a fantastic recipe for midweek, very quick, don't know what to put on the dinner table kind of meal. Now, this recipe is featured in Skinny Mediterranean, which is coming out on Friday. So we are now well and truly on our downward slide to a book launch. It's happening on Friday, South Australia, 8 p.m. South Australian time on the 10th. Yeah, it's got so many amazing recipes in it. You guys are gonna love it. What else? Yeah, it's wonderful dye. Like, you can see even in the bowl, it's starting to get nice and thick. So you can really enjoy it the way, like however you want. I actually prefer risotto over risotto myself. It's just, it feels lighter. All right, I had to feed my kids. They've been so patient. Let me show off dessert once more. This is the lemon sorbetto, lemon prosecco sorbetto straight from the freezer. I just wanted to show you guys how scoopable it is. So great for prepping ahead for parties or having it in the freezer for a hot summer's day where you just feel like something around the pool or something like that. This is definitely going to be your go-to summer recipe. If you're curious about how I made it, you can go back and watch the live from yesterday. All right, you guys have a wonderful evening. I'll check in with you all tomorrow. I think we're going to go live for lunch tomorrow and show something else off. So check in with us tomorrow. Even if you're at work, sneak into the toilet and just watch in quiet. All right, I love you guys. See ya.